Hello dear customer, this is Ivan from QRQ Company. Nice to see you again. Today in this video, I would like to share with you how we can make the invisible slider. As you can see, this is our invisible slider production processes. The first step is pressing. We use the pressing machine to make the small parts of the slider, of the invisible slider, for example, the needle, the monkey, and also the triangle ring, right? And after pressing, we come into the die casting. We need to make the invisible slider body, invisible puller, and also for the die casting machine, we have different tones for your choosing, and also can provide you the mold. And after die casting, we need to separate the products and the frame. And after separating, we need to polishing. And as you can see, we also have many different kind of polishing machine for your choosing. For example, the barrel type and the vibrating type. And normally we will use these two for the normal quality. But if you want to do some high quality, we also can provide other models for your choosing. And in the polishing process, we also need to add the polishing stones. As you can see, the different shape polishing stones to improve the polishing effect. And after polishing, we need to separate the products and polishing stones, right? And after separating, we need to drying. We need to remove the water from the products. And after drying, we need to clean the slider mouth and also clean the slider inside to remove the burr. So after cleaning, we need to assembly. So the first assembling is that we need to assembling the puller and triangle ring. And after assembling the puller and triangle ring, we need to assembling the slider and then put them together. So after assembling, then we come into the last step is to making the color. For the color, we have two processes, the painting and plating. And the painting, we have the barrel and hanging. And also for the plating, we same. Barrel plating and the rack plating we also call hanging plating. Okay, so it depends on the color what you want, and then you can choose the different process to make it. In addition to this process, we also need to see which material we need to use. As for the raw material, the first one is the zinc for die casting process, and also we will have different various polishing stones used for polishing machines, the polishing process, for example, the triangle shape and the round shape for rough polishing, and some for refined polishing. They have different kind of for choosing, and also the agent, the cleaning agent and the oil displacing agent, and also the pressing parts for invisible slider. And beside this, in raw material, we also need to prepare some paint, the thinner or hardener, and also the chemical for the painting or plating process. So this is the raw material for invisible slider production process, and all of them we can provide them for you. And besides the raw material, we also have the video of each machine. You can see.
Now we set up the H2B23. So when the machine reaches to 23, it will stop. Hi dear customers, now I'm going to show to you how to polishing the invisible slider by this better polishing machine. First step, we put the lap polishing stone. This is the lap. They are lap polishing stone, okay? And we put the slider and the polishing stone inside. And also, my technician put some the polishing liquid. Hi, dear customers, this is the separating machine for separating the polishing stone and the slider over the top.
And besides the video, we also have the leaflet. In this leaflet, and you can know more about our machines, for example, our advantages, our basic informations, and also some spare parts used for each machine. So I think through the leaflet and the video, you have more better understanding of our machines. If you really want to set up your own invisible slider making workshop, and if you want to know more details of our machines, please contact us. We can send our catalog to you to help you get more details. Thank you.